Until recently, the only way to stop YouTube from auto-dubbing videos was to manually change the language in the video settings. The problem? You had to do this for every video individually, which wasn't very convenient. The good news is that YouTube has now added an official solution. You can control auto-dubbing by setting your preferred languages. This tells YouTube which languages you understand. If the original audio of a video is in one of your preferred languages, YouTube won't dub it. This also applies to translated titles and descriptions. Here's how to set it up on the YouTube app. Tap your profile picture and go to Settings. Select Languages, then choose Preferred Languages. Add all the languages you understand. For example, if you speak English, make sure to add English. Tap Save, then close and reopen the app. Your home page will refresh, and auto-dubbing should stop. If you're using a desktop browser, click your profile picture, then go to Settings. Open Playback in Performance, then under Language, click Add or Edit Languages. Choose the languages you understand and confirm. This setting doesn't affect your app language or recommendations, it only stops unwanted auto-dubbing.